Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your API key and API password for Kartra and how to integrate it to your AEvent account. To start, please log in to your Kartra account. From the main page, scroll down and click on Integrations from the left menu. Now, click on Integrations from the left side. Click on API from the top and click on My API. You'll be able to see your API key and API password from here. Please save it somewhere you can easily access like Google Sheets. Once you have your API key and API password handy, we can now proceed integrating Kartra to our AEvent account. Let's log in to AEvent. From the dashboard, click on Integrations, Add Integration. Look for Kartra by typing it in the search box. Click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. For this tutorial, I'm typing Karta1. Click Connect. You will now be prompted for your API key and API password. Once you have these information entered, click Continue. We have successfully added Kartra to our integrations. Now let's test it. Go back to the integrations page. Look for Kartra. Now click Test. Great. We have successfully established a connection between Karta and AEvent. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.